Claude Fable 5 just released and everybody is talking about it. It's supposed to be way better than Opus 4.8 at building dashboards, games, anything. It's supposed to be really good at it. And a lot of the times with Opus and Sonnet, you have them build things and there's just so many things wrong with it. It never does it one shot. So hopefully, Fable 5 is changing that. I've already seen some good things come out about it. It was just released. We have this huge prompt here to create a survival, kind of like zombies, Call of Duty Zombies type game. So let's go ahead and put this in and let's see what it creates. I'll be right back. Okay, it is finished and it actually looks really cool from what I see. I will tell you this too. My app for the desktop with Claude was messing up with Fable 5. So I did it inside of the Claude browser as well. So we actually have two versions that we're going to try out. Let's go ahead and try out the version that came from the desktop. Okay, here we go. So Nightfall Extraction. You are prey, survive until the dawn, then run. Click to begin. We have the WSAD movement, look, sprint, crouch, space, pistol, shotgun, crowbar, 1, 2, 3. We have R for reload, flashlight F, escape for pause. Here we go. Let's see what this is like. Oh my gosh. Guys, one shot. Okay, the roof is messed up. That does not look right. But look at this. A one-shot game for a survival game. This is a W, guys. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, that zombie was coming up really fast. Okay, so all the buttons work. A lot of times when we've made videos on these, the buttons are like either backwards or something. It's, it's not always perfect. Wow. We got bricks. Oh, okay. It doesn't automatically reload. The pistol, it doesn't look like a real pistol. There's no hand. But honestly, guys, this is awesome. This is not bad at all. I mean, I could tweak this, I could tweak this, and we could make it much better. So let's try the flashlight. Oh, man, this is cool. We have a flashlight. Okay, wave 2. Let's reload. So can I go in these buildings? Okay, I can't aim. Oh, crap. These things are fast. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay, hold on. I need to focus. I'm pretty sure... Yeah, we can go in the buildings. Okay. Your flashlight turns off after a minute. Or, like, the batteries go out. Which is actually something that I told it in the prompt. For you have to find batteries. Okay, right there, I was definitely shooting him, but it wasn't connecting. Okay, so this is not bad, guys. What could I fix about this? Definitely it's not changing. It's not changing. Okay, so I'm out of battery and I'm out of ammo. Okay, so here's sprinting. Oh, what was that? Okay, so that was ammo. Now, one thing you can definitely tell is the roofs are not correct. I mean, this kind of looks like Minecraft, right? That's kind of like what I'm getting here, like a Minecraft, but like a game. I mean, this is honestly, for one shot, guys, this is so close to production ready. It really is. Okay, so let's try out the other version. We actually have two versions of this game. This was the one that was made from the Claude desktop. Oh, they're sprinting now. They're sprinting now. Oh, this is the one where we're going, for sure. Here, let's just see what happens when we die. Okay, so... Cool little dying animation. We got 20 kills. We made it to wave 3. We made it to 3:34 a.m. That's really cool, guys. One shot, and we got that. Let's go ahead and test the other version. Okay, now this is the other version that my Chrome browser Claude Fable 5 made. Let's check it out. Here we go. About the same setup. You know, it's different. It was completely different. So there's going to be some different things inside of them. Exact same prompt, but completely different terminals. So let's... Okay, well, I can already tell you right now that the other one was better for sure. It's... The bar is not set up right. You can sprint. The buildings are not set up very good. Let's see what we got here. Okay, nice little bleeding animations. Let's reload. Okay, so the zombies do look pretty cool. I mean, they're not awful. But let's go ahead and just keep working on the desktop version. Let's go back to it and tell it some new things to add. Okay, so I told it to change up its key bindings because my 1, 2, and 3 are used for when I'm streaming. So that kind of messes it up. So I'll make it change to Y, U, and I. And then also I told it to place more survival items on the ground, create 2 other types of zombies, and then have a boss zombie at the end of every round. And then I just told it to make the game better pretty much. So we will see how long that takes. Okay, the second shot is done. Let's play it. Okay, so the roofs are fixed. That looks good. We are going to have a boss. There should be other types of zombies. Right now I only see one type. Oh, crap. They be running up on you. Okay. Take him out. Okay, so it didn't recreate the zombies like I told it to. I told it to create 2 extra zombies. Not sure why it didn't do that. Oh, did you hear that? Let's see what the boss looks like. Let's see if it pulls in a boss. Oh, let's try the other guns. Okay, so here's our shotgun. The Butcher. Okay, this will be cool. What is this the Butcher? Whoa, okay. Big dude in the church. Oh, boy. Oh, he's not fast enough, so not really a hard boss, but hey, it still did what we wanted to do. Boom, he's done. Okay, so wave 1 should be done, right? Yeah. All right. Well, cool, guys. This is actually not that bad. I would say this is way better than any other game we've ever created on here. I don't find it that bad. Maybe the other zombies will pop up in later. Oh, yes, there it is. Okay, so a little crawling zombie. What does the other zombie look like? Let's see here. Not that one. Not that one. Maybe it'd be in a later one. But honestly, guys, it's not bad. This is a really great game for just a 2 shot. But what it did in 1 shot was actually not bad. So, yeah, if you guys want this master prompt, I will add it down below in my free Skool so you guys can get it. It's not that crazy of a prompt, but, you know, you can have access to it for free. Thank you, and I hope you guys have a good one. See you in the next video.